Hello, my name is Nancy and I have worked as a registered nurse for the last 11 years. I'm here today from IDiaper.com to talk to you about controlling your urinary incontinence. It is a medical condition that affects many people of all ages. And it is probably one of the most embarrassing issues to have to talk about. Many people are too embarrassed to even talk to their doctors about their urinary incontinence. I do recommend purchasing incontinence products online. They're shipped directly to your home, there's a larger variety, and there's better quality. There's 4 different styles: diapers, pull-ups, belted pads, and pads. The pads come in a large variety of sizes and styles. They have a barrier on the back, and many of them have a plastic strip that holds them in place. They are made from square, small pads to as large as a diaper. Some people will buy the mesh panties to hold the bigger pads in place. Along with pads, I would say this is a belted pad. And it is just that. Belted garment has a belt that is stretchy and it's just like a large pad. The belt helps hold them in place. These are easy to change in public and very comfortable. Next step up is pull-ups. Pull-ups are for people on the go that need to control heavy to overnight incontinence. These pull-ups are stretchy. They're stretchy around the legs, which you need good. You need a good barrier. You need a good stretch around the legs to prevent the leakage. They have good padding in them. Some of them are so heavily padded they're for overnight coverage. Very comfortable. All you have to do is rip the sides when you're ready to change them and they come off. Go in the garbage. This here is a diaper. Opens up like a diaper. This is an adult size. Larger at one end than at the other end. Has the tabs that hold them in place. And they are reusable as far as you can put them down and pick them up so that you can get a good tight fit for this diaper. Additional items that you really might want to consider is the booster pad. The booster pad is made just like a pad. There's a variety of sizes. There's a variety of the ability to how much urine that they hold. They do not have the barrier on the back. The booster pads just go on top of your diaper. They fill up with urine and the extra urine goes through underneath. They're a great addition to helping you hold more urine, especially when you're out on the go and worried that you might have an accident. Other items you could take with you are skincare items in case the urine is getting kind of irritating your skin. Sometimes that happens to people. And then wipes. In case you need to change while you're out, you can use the wipes to clean up. Helps keep you from having a smell of urine. And then you can take padding with you to prevent accidents on the car's seats or on other people's furniture. Those are just items, extra accessory items. The next thing that I would really like to recommend here at IDiaper.com are our reusable products. There's a large variety of reusable products. They're great to help prevent accidents too. These products save money in the long run and they reduce landfill. They're rewashable over 200 times. One of the products is a swim diaper. These are for people that do not have fecal incontinence. These swim diapers are worn next to the skin under your regular diaper. They fit very form-fitting. They hold in fecal incontinence if you have an accident while you're swimming. They come in a variety of colors. There's white, here's pink, blues, navy, you name it. You can sometimes get them in most any color. Another thing that we have for the reusable products are men's briefs. These briefs have padding where they need it and they look and feel just like regular underwear. Then there's the women's panties. They have padding where they're needed, and they are nice and silky and lacy. Very pretty. They have different colors, different styles, different shapes. They all have padding down where it's needed. Along with the panties and briefs for men, there's coverettes. These have snaps on them that open up. Many of them don't have snaps, and they just pull on and on like panties, and they have tight elastic around the legs. People use these as extra protection when they're out in public to make sure they don't have an accident. Reusable booster pads. These can go inside your panties. These can go inside your diapers to give you extra protection, and they are washable. Then there are the generic briefs. These have snaps on them. They're adjustable in width at the waist and in width at the legs. And they are elastic. These are overnight, heavy to overnight. There's several different varieties and several different styles. One style has extenders for extending the waist to make them wider. These extenders go on the larger sizes. This is a larger size, and the extenders would go right here to make the waist longer. This is a reusable belted pad. Would be very comfortable if you didn't want the snugness around the waist, but you still needed some urinary control. This has a lot of padding in it. Along with booster pads and other garments, we have the seat protectors. These are great for putting down in your car seats, putting down on your recliners, whatever kind of chair needs protection. They come in a variety of colors also. And then last but not least, we have our protection for our mattresses. We have full protectors where you can put plastic and cover the whole mattress, and some of those plastic covers have absorption, and some are the old-fashioned just plastic. We have the bed pads in a lot of different colors, a lot of different sizes. They absorb the urine on this side here. They're strong enough to move people around, lift people, move them in bed. And they're also great if you have grandchildren or babies in the house, and they're great changing pads to keep the furniture clean. So check out our store at IDiaper.com. Yes, that is I in front of diaper, IDiaper.com. We also have a toll-free number where you're welcome to call and talk to a specialist. Thank you.